everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm from New Jersey and I do a lot of vlog style content, travel vlogs, New Jersey lifestyle vlogs, and all that kind of stuff. Today I'm just kicking off a weekends vlog. It's actually been a minute since I've vlogged my weekend. I have actually not vlogged since we went to Stowe, which as of right now, that was a few weeks ago. Although that'll be the video that probably was uploaded just a couple days before this one. Just doing a little quick makeup because I'm heading out to the movie soon and then dinner. I'm just doing a very quick, like 5-minute makeup. Just threw on the Say Beauty slip tint like this because it has SPF in it. This is in the shade 3. Just going with a little bit of foundation. I like using the Kosas Revealer foundation. This is the shade Light Neutral 140. And I just like to put it directly on my beauty sponge and then just pat it into my face. So it's been a few weeks now of living in the new home and everything's been really nice. I truthfully haven't been home too much because I'm usually at my boyfriend's house. Just like a good amount of time because I work up there. We've just been doing a lot of ski trips together, but now that we're in the spring season, I'll be spending a little more time in the new home, but it's been good. Like, I really like my new room. It feels very similar to my old room because it's a lot of the same stuff and the aesthetic of it is very similar. So I haven't felt uncomfortable or had an odd time adjusting. I'm in the same area that my old home is in. I feel really comfortable here. I'm also going to go with the Kosas Revealer Concealer. This is the shade 2.5C. I like to dot a little bit of this under my eyes and just on any blemishes. My skin's been pretty decent recently. I do still get the occasional pimples. I haven't cracked the code yet on how to completely have not a single pimple, but it's pretty manageable, I would say, especially from where I was a few years ago. So I'm happy about that. I'm just very happy that we're now in the spring season and the weather is just warming up. It was in the 60s yesterday and it just felt so good to just take a walk outside and really enjoy the warm weather. Kosas Cloud Set Powder. This is in the shade Feathery. I just use a very light amount of this on my T-zone area. Also put a little bit on my chin. For bronzer, I alternate between the Kosas one and the Hoola bronzer. I love doing a little nose contour. I feel like it just adds that dimension back to your nose after kind of flattening out the face with the foundation. I got a pimple right on my Cupid's bow and I feel like it looks kind of funny. Just lightly going with the Kosas Air Brow. I have the shade Soft Brown, I believe. Favorite Ilia Beauty mascara. I'm not gonna do eyeliner today because I just don't really have the time. I do that all the time. Sometimes I just like to add a little more concealer at the end. That's really it. I use a lot of Kosas products. I feel like in a lot of my videos, whenever I show my makeup, it's very repetitive. I do kind of want to try some new stuff. Like, the stuff works, I like using it, but I am curious to try some new products from the Kosas brand or Say Beauty, Ilia Beauty, Merit. Like, those are the brands that I really like for makeup and beauty products. Maybe I will switch that up for the like spring, summer season. It's basically it for my really quick makeup. I'm kind of curious how long it actually took me to do this. My guess is it took me under 10 minutes. So we're gonna look at this as a little 10-minute makeup routine. Saturday morning now. I just had some breakfast. This morning I wrote a blog post, published that. My website is lifestylejessica.com. It's linked in the description box down below if you want to check it out. I do a lot of New Jersey-based blog posts as well as beauty or nail blog posts, like nail ideas, nail inspo, that kind of stuff. I think I'm actually gonna paint my nails right now. It's a super rainy day. I'll probably film that just as a little short video. I recently purchased a few things from Djerf Avenue. That's probably my favorite brand. It's a little pricey, but it's definitely got some really unique pieces and really cute stuff. So I got the robe. I've been thinking about this for a while now. It was back in stock, so I went ahead and treated myself to the Djerf Djerf Avenue robe. This is in the summer fruits print, yellow color with colorful fruits all over it. It's a very thick material. It's basically like a towel but in robe form. I got the size extra small / small in the robe and I feel like it's pretty good. I'm 5'4" for reference and the robe is pretty long. It goes a couple inches past my knees. Here's just a full look at the robe on. This is great. I feel like Matilda advertises it as kind of like a towel robe, like you can wear it after you get out of the shower, for instance, or out of water, and it has that absorbent towel material. Very cute and I absolutely love it. In addition to the robe, I also bought the matching headband. It has a Velcro strap on it. It's meant for like if you're washing your face or anything with water and you want to get your hair out of your face. And then I also got the beach towel in this summer fruits print. It comes with this little loop here for hanging, which is great. Pretty good size. Just to give you an idea of the length of the towel, I'm 5'4" and I am taller than the length of the towel, but not by much, just by a few inches. I'm pretty sure this is around 5 feet long. Feels like very good quality. Love this print if you couldn't tell. Clearly I'm kind of obsessed with it. Just love all the colors. It gives me such good spring and summer vibes. And I have the matching bathing suit in this print that I purchased last year. Love this print and I'm actually about to paint my nails right now. This is what we're working with. After or during the whole move process, all of my nails basically broke. They got super short down to the nub, but they're starting to grow back now and I was able to go back to that slightly like pointed almond shape I like to do. I'm feeling something spring and summery. I've been doing a lot of soak off gel manicures lately. A lot of the gel manicure stuff I use is from Nail Reserve. They're a brand that basically just sells a lot of soak off gel polishes. I worked with them in the past. This video is not sponsored or anything by them, but I do use a lot of their gel polishes still. I do have also some from the Beetles brand. I got those on Amazon and they're pretty affordable. Thinking about painting my nails, and maybe this is ambitious of me, but doing something inspired by this print. Buttery yellow base with all the colorful fruits. I just think it would be really cute and fun, especially on this very rainy spring day. Many hours later, the nails are finished. Only painted the one hand. I'm gonna make a late lunch now, and then we're leaving very soon to go to Hoboken. I think we're gonna get dinner there, and then we're meeting our friends at Beer Garden to celebrate our friend's birthday. Lunch is looking very simple right now. I think I'm just gonna make a cheese quesadilla and then have my leftover Parmesan crusted potatoes. You wanna say hi to the vlog, baby? We're walking now to the beer garden from dinner. We went to a restaurant called Apulia and our friend works there actually, and it was amazing. Not just saying that because we know someone that works there, but really good food, really authentic Italian pizza, handmade pastas. So if you're in Hoboken, definitely go to Apulia. Get Brian as your waiter. But yeah, it's kind of drizzling a little bit still. I was hoping we'd get to see the water and the skyline a little. But we'll see if we can sneak that in. We have to get to the beer garden at like 7. Good morning. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday now. Pretty nice out and sunny. A little windy, but I think we're gonna go to the park and just take a walk. It's gonna be a pretty chill day. A little cooking content later because we are gonna cook some barbecue chicken meatballs. We had a really nice night in Hoboken last night. The dinner was amazing at Apulia, and we just like had a nice time at the beer garden, just catching up with friends. It's a little after 6 p.m. Today has been pretty chill, but really nice. We went to the park and took a really long walk, and then we just did a little workout. Honestly, don't really work out so much. I really just take walks. In January, I was doing a free trial of ClassPass, which was great. I feel like I should do it again because it got me like consistently working out and doing more than just walking. But yeah, we'll see if maybe I'll get back into a little workout routine with doing some strength training. But that felt good. Showered, and now it's a little after 6, gonna make some dinner. There's an influencer or a digital creator I really like. Her name is Clara Purse, and she does a lot of fast-paced short videos, mainly on like TikTok and Instagram Reels. She also has a YouTube channel, but I love that she does a lot of cooking content. So she shares a lot of recipes that she likes to make, and I found one on her website. She's got a blog called clarapurse.com, and she shares a lot of food and recipes that she makes. So one of them was for like a sticky barbecue chicken meatball. I'm gonna make those tonight because it just looked really good and it sounded really good. Went to Trader Joe's earlier and got the stuff. We're gonna air fry frozen broccoli. Bought some Japanese sweet potatoes from Trader Joe's, so I think I'm gonna try to do a little like sweet potato mash. I'm gonna get cooking and start on the recipe, and I'll link it down below, or maybe I'll just link her blog down below where she has her food. Just finished making everything and it all looks really good. We also air fried some broccoli.